You have seen them. The heroes with physiques that look like they are carved from marble. Wide shoulders, a tiny waist, and razor-sharp definition. That is the anime physique. And it is not just cartoons, it is a real, achievable body type. Start right now, and you can walk into the new year looking like a main character. This is your ultimate blueprint. Forget just getting big. The anime physique is built on 3 laws. 1. The V-taper. Wide shoulders and lats that taper down to a slim waist. 2. Razor-sharp definition. It is about being lean enough to see every muscle fiber, not just being bulky. 3. Athletic function. The physique of someone who can move with explosive power. This is not about fantasy. It requires a smart, science-backed approach. We have a little over 2 months until the new year. Your journey starts today. That is a perfect window to trigger significant, visible changes in your body composition. This plan is not a magic pill. It is a precise blueprint for maximum results in a compressed time frame. These 3 laws work in synergy. You cannot neglect one and expect to succeed. The goal is clear, the methods are proven, and your commitment is the final variable. You are the protagonist. Your training arc begins now. The V-taper is the cornerstone of the entire anime physique, the single most important visual element to construct. This shape is created by developing a wide upper back and broad shoulders, making the waist appear smaller. The primary muscle group is the latissimus dorsi, the lats. To build imposing lats, one exercise stands above all: the pull-up. It engages your back, biceps, and core, with main stimulus on the lats. If you cannot yet perform a full pull-up, do not be discouraged. Start with lat pull-downs. Use a wide grip, pull to your upper chest, and squeeze your back at the bottom. Add negative pull-ups. Use a box to get to the top, then lower yourself as slowly and controlled as possible. This eccentric work builds the foundational strength for full reps. To complete the top of the V, develop your shoulders. Prioritize the medial side head for that capped 3D look. The best move is the dumbbell lateral raise. Perform strict. Avoid swinging and momentum to isolate the side delts. Build overall shoulder mass with the overhead press. It drives broad-shouldered strength. Combining these movements expands your frame and adds width and roundness where it counts. Focus on progressive overload. Add a rep or a small amount of weight each week. This is how you command growth and forge the iconic V-taper frame. Training builds the muscle, but your diet reveals it. Maintain a slight calorie deficit, around 300 to 500 below maintenance. Prioritize protein, about 1 gram per pound of your target body weight. If your goal is 170 pounds, aim for 170 grams per day. Make it simple: half vegetables, a quarter lean protein, a quarter complex carbs, whole foods, plenty of water. This slight deficit plus high protein preserves muscle and strips fat for razor-sharp definition. Perform HIIT twice per week, ideally after strength sessions. Go 30 seconds at near max effort, an 8 or 9 out of 10. Follow with 60 seconds of easy recovery. Repeat for 15 minutes. This triggers the afterburn effect, elevated calorie burn for hours post-workout. Skip endless crunches. Use this targeted 3-exercise routine. Hanging leg raises. Focus on lower abs. Start bent knee if needed and progress. Cable crunches. Load them and apply progressive overload for upper abs. Hardstyle plank. Contract everything for 30 to 45 seconds. Do 3 sets of each, twice a week. A plan is only as good as its execution. This weekly schedule is your roadmap. Simple, repeatable, effective. Day 1. Upper body, V-taper focus. Pull-up progression or weighted pull-ups, overhead presses, rows, lateral raises. Day 2. Lower body and HIIT. Squats, leg press, or Romanian deadlifts, then 15 minutes of intervals. Day 3. Rest or active recovery. Your body rebuilds when you rest. Day 4. Upper body, strength and volume. Dumbbell bench, flat and incline, lat pull-downs, rows, lateral raises. Day 5. full body and abs, deadlift, lighter overhead press, lunges, then hanging leg raises, cable crunches, hardstyle plank. Days 6 and 7. Rest and recovery. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Keep protein and meals consistent. Track weights, sets, and reps. Aim to beat last week. Consistency is your greatest ally. Start now. Stay focused. Let us walk into the new year shredded. Your main character arc starts today. Comment "I am in," join the community of heroes, and click for the full plan. Smash like and subscribe. Let us get you shredded.